Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to close a Wells Fargo checking account online. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So how do you actually request a closure of your account? So this one will have to directly contact Wells Fargo support, or you might have to basically visit the nearest branch, because closing your account requires your personal interaction, so you need to reach out to Wells Fargo itself. So if you're unable to go to the nearest banking location for Wells Fargo, well, you could go ahead and contact them online. Now, to do this, you first have to go to your website, which is going to be wellsfargo.com. Now, from here, what you need to do is you need to scroll down a bit until you see the section for quick help. So go ahead and open that up, and you want to go ahead and click on customer service and FAQs. Now, from here, you'll be redirected to this page here, wherein you could use the customer service support topics. So you have checking and savings, online banking, and a lot more. You can go ahead and click on checking and savings here, but for now, we want to use the option here that says contact us. So go ahead and click on contact us, and from here, you'll be able to see different means of actually contacting Wells Fargo. So you have the make a appointment option and the contact us internationally option as well. Now in here we have the banking services as well. So in this case we have general banking, Wells Fargo online, and a lot more. So the numbers here will be posted, and you could go ahead and call this number to basically give your concern about the closure of your account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.